Mastering English Idioms. Double Down, explained. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll dive into a fascinating English phrase, double down. This idiom is commonly used in everyday English, but what does it really mean? How can you use it correctly in your conversations? Let's find out together. Double down originally comes from the world of gambling, particularly blackjack. In blackjack, to double down means to double your bet after seeing your initial cards, with the commitment to stand after receiving one more card. This move is a sign of confidence in your chances of winning. In modern English, double down has taken on a more figurative meaning. It means to become more tenacious, assertive, or resolute in your position or course of action, especially in response to opposition or criticism. It implies a strong commitment to a specific stance or action. Let's see how double down is used in sentences. 1. In business, despite the criticism, the CEO decided to double down on his decision to expand the company. 2. In politics, the senator doubled down on her stance against the proposed law, despite opposition from her party. 3. In personal life, even after failing the first time, he doubled down on his efforts to learn the guitar. These examples show how double down can be applied in various contexts, demonstrating persistence and determination. Be cautious not to confuse double down with simply doubling something. Double down carries a connotation of boldness and commitment in the face of challenges, which is not present in merely doubling something. I hope this video has illuminated the idiom double down for you. Remember, it's all about reinforcing your stance or efforts, especially when facing opposition. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using double down like a native speaker. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English language insights. Happy learning!